TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 189. You get the Nasdaq off 63. S&P's down 13.5. Let's go over and take a look at this market. So what you have out here, folks, is this. You have the indices going into the highs of the lows. What you can expect out here, you can expect a rejection of lower price. You're going to get lighter volume. If we go take a look at the futures market out here, we take a look at this, what you're going to see, it's going to be pretty cool how this whole thing is set up. What you have is this. So we got down to a price point of 26.13. Right now you're at 26.31. Bottom line is that you're getting into that bar from Monday. Now, the top of that bar, folks, is the 26.48. I don't expect we're going to get all the way up there. What I do expect you're going to see is a total rejection of lower price. You're going to get lighter volume right throughout the NDX 100, S&Ps, small caps, Dow Industrials, all of the above. If we get over and we take a look at the Qs, what you're going to see is this. The Qs got down to a price point today of 162.37. The high of that low is 163.78. Now, on the Qs can reject that price flat out and get above that 163.78. The small caps, what the small caps have done once again, and keep an eye on those because the small caps are the weakest. Small caps got under the lows of Monday, rejected it. It's going to have lighter volume. Bottom line, what it's also done, this is the second time that you come down to the February 2009 level. That's your benchmark. That's the much larger benchmark out here. So what's really saying it? Now, this is where this is going to get really cool, folks, and this is what it is. The bond market wants higher price, lower yield. That being said, guess what you have out here? You have the bond market coming up, testing its highs. As it's testing its highs, it has dramatically lighter volume. So what that's telling me is this. So when we went up last week, we went up with 3.4 million contracts. Yesterday, you go sideways with 1.3, couldn't break it down. Today, tries to get higher, not going to have the volume. When you don't have the volume there, what that is setting up, that's setting up, to me, a bounce coming in once again next week. That's how that bond market seems to be reacting out here. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract out here, trading at a price point of $12.75. Whoops, 1 second. GC9, there we go. Gold contract trading at a price point of $12.39. You're pulling back. You have light volume. Gold also wants higher price. Stay right there, folks. Coming right back. And, of course, then we're going to go to our fast market. I'm Ann Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White. Dow down 192. Nasdaq off 60. S&P's off 13. Come right back.